Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can fix lag and high FPS in Make a Break. In other words, how you can boost your performance, okay? Now the most crucial step guys is gonna be to optimize the in-game graphics settings, okay? So I just want you to launch the game and I want you to go to your menu, right? Now after that, I just want you to go to your settings and then you have to find your basically display, which is in here, and your graphics section in particular. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm just gonna recommend that you turn off your vertical sync and that you limit your frame rate limit to actually 60 or less. Okay. In order not to have any stuttering whatsoever. Now let's go to the graphics section. Here you're gonna have a preset, but I would actually recommend that you go into detail and you aim for these graphical options in here. Let's go step by step, okay? For super resolution, I'm gonna recommend that you turn on DLSS if you have an NVIDIA card, okay? And in automatic, in the super resolution quality, I'm just gonna recommend that you do performance, okay? So this is actually very important, guys, right? So you select performance. If you select this super resolution DLSS, these options are gonna be disabled in here. But if you have a newer graphic card, you can try enabling frame generation. But keep in mind, guys, that this is gonna maybe create some input lag, okay? So keep that in mind before you turn this on. But I recommend that if you're having really bad FPS, definitely turn it on. Now let's talk about the rendering quality. I think you should keep this to medium, okay? Because if you keep it too low, it's gonna affect too much the multiplayer experience, okay? So just keep it to medium at the very least. The texture, this game requires a lot of VRAM, so just keep it to low, okay? If you're really struggling with texture, just keep it to low. Depth of field should be off. Interface shelf lattice should be off as well. Global illumination off. SSAO should be off. The same with SSR and volumetric fog, okay? These options should all be off, especially if you're aiming to play multiplayer, you know? These only are gonna be distractions and they're gonna remove FPS, okay? Now, weather effects, virtual geometry precision, terrain precision, vegetation precision, and so on, they don't really matter a lot, so you can just keep them to medium, okay? They're not gonna give you like extra FPS from my tests, so you can just keep them off. However, stream texture quality, I find that it really affects if you have a low VRAM, okay? So you can just keep it to standard, okay? Never set this to high. Now, motion blur, I think you should keep it like off or low in order to reduce any distractions when you're playing multiplayer, okay? So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.